This exercise is for the platysma muscle, which is the flat, superficial muscle in your neck. Over time, it often loses its tone and becomes shorter or stiffer. Start by pushing your lower lip over your lower teeth as far as you can, pulling it slightly inward and backward. Keep your upper lip completely still. You'll feel the activation around the corners of your mouth. Hold this tension as if you were gently pulling the corners of your mouth inward and upward toward your upper molars. Now push your chin forward a little bit, very deliberately and in a controlled way. Then lift your head slightly so that you feel a stretch along your jawline and throughout your neck. Place your hands on your collarbone and gently rest your knees there, the skin and muscles, so you can perceive the stretch even more consciously. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of all tension. On the next round, make sure not to push your chin too far forward. Keep the movement centered and balanced. If you notice your jaw moving to the side, or if you feel any clicking or pulling anywhere, reduce the intensity. The goal is not strength, but proper alignment. Alignment over tension. This is especially important because many people hold tension around the jaw joint, often unconsciously. Becoming gentle here takes patience, but it pays off. We're going to do the exercise one more time now. Once again, slide your lower lip over your lower teeth and slightly inward. Keep your upper lip still and the corners of your mouth active. Then move your chin slightly forward and lift your head so that you feel the stretch in your neck clearly but comfortably. Place your hands on your collarbone again and notice how the stretch extends from there up to your lower jaw. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. The jaw press strengthens and stretches the muscles along the jawline and in the neck area. It specifically targets sagging chin areas, drooping corners of the mouth, or loss of firmness in the lower face. One last time. Roll your lower lip inward, keep the corners of your mouth active, and gently push your chin forward. Gently lift your head. Make sure the upper part of your face stays relaxed. Forehead and eyes relaxed, jaw stable. Breathe evenly. Keep your shoulders down. Hold briefly. Feel the length. This especially activates the platysma muscle as well as deeper structures in the jaw and neck area. By consciously moving the chin forward and gently lifting the face, a pleasant stretch is created that lengthens the neck, relaxes the jaw, and stimulates circulation. And then slowly release the position again.